Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today on the dyno we've got this Jaguar XE S. It's come in for a dyno, remap and upper pulley change. It's currently producing 340 brake horsepower and 450 newton meters of torque, but that won't be for long. Let's find out what the real figures are, hand it off to the technical team, let our mechanics and engineers work on all the technical parts of it, and then we'll put it back on the dyno and find out exactly what it's producing then. So we've had it through the dyno for the first run before we send the stuff upstairs. The figures actually produced, it's actually making a bit more power than, well, even Jaguar said it would. So we found it making 351 brake horsepower and 485 newton meters of torque. So there's already a gain. Let's see what upstairs can do.
Today we are creating a performance tune file for this Jaguar XE. To do this, we need to alter the following maps: the supercharger maps, the fueling and the request for the XE to achieve greater power and torque. Once we've done this, the file is sent back down to the workshop for it to be uploaded back to the vehicle's ECU.
Right, so now we're going to fit the supercharger pulley on this XE. First of all, we need to remove the induction, remove the auxiliary belt, get the pulley tool, remove the old pulley, make sure there's enough clearance on the snout, heat the new pulley up, slide it on, pull it down, fit the new fan belt, fit the induction kit, job done.
So we've just had the map back from upstairs and our technicians have installed that and the new upper pulley. We've run it through the dyno and it's running a staggering 420 brake horsepower and 509 newton meters of torque. This is a serious Jaguar XE. If you like your car tuned by the team here at VIEZU, send us an email on the email address above or give us a call on 01789 77 4444.